afternoon, I'm Hanisha of 9th grade. Today I'm here to explain about layers of atmosphere. Just like the interior of the earth is arranged as various layers, atmosphere is too divided into various layers having different composition. Today we are going to learn about each layer in detail. Based on the chemical composition, atmosphere is divided into two broad layers called homosphere and heterosphere. Now we'll learn about homosphere. Homosphere extends up to the height of 90 kilometers. It has three sublayers called troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. It is filled with the composition of gases called nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc.
Heterosphere. The layer above the 90 kilometers of the homosphere is called heterosphere. It consists of heterogeneous composition, hence its name as heterosphere. It have two broad sublayers, thermosphere and exosphere.
Troposphere. It is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere and it extends up to the average height of 13 kilometers and it roughly extends up to the height of 8 kilometers near the poles and 18 kilometers near the equator. The thickness of troposphere is greatest at the equator because the heat is transported at the greater heights through convectional currents. The main important point about this layer is the entire weather phenomenon takes place in this layer and 75% of gaseous mass is present in this layer. The next layer is stratosphere. It extends up to the height of 50 kilometers and the main point about this layer is it contains ozone layer and it is free from clouds and associated weather phenomenon where the jet aircrafts can fly easily.
Mesosphere. The layer extends up to the 80 kilometers. The meteors will burn in this layer only. The temperature increases with rapidly. Thermosphere. The layer above the 400 kilometers. It consists of electrically charged particles known as ions. It is also called as ionosphere. Exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is called exosphere. The layer exists up to, in this layer no living organisms cannot live.
In this way, atmosphere is divided into various layers having different composition. We hope that you have understood our topic.